Sanibona bafethu uVani. So la ngizokhuluma igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iMaromo Gallants. Bayaziyo bafethu iMaromo Gallants i-club ucoach omusha Orlando Pirates uAbdeslam Wadud. So beyigame ebalulekile ku-Abdeslam Wadud because kumele ayithole i-win Orlando Pirates. Khona abafana bezogain momentum ahead of the game oyidlala against Mamelodi Sundowns nge-weekend. So nayi line-up mina engingayikhetha ahead of le game le ezodlala Orlando Pirates against iMaromo Gallants. Na ungangitshela eyakho i-line-up kuma-comments, ungayigxeki eyami i-line-up. Ungangitshela nje wena eyakho. Based on le game esiphuma kuyona, ziningi izinto ekumele yishintshe. Orlando Pirates kumele ilungise lapho nalapho. So ngizokhipha i-line-up yami, ungangitshela wena eyakho kuma-comments. Ngizoqala ngo-goalkeeper, ngizoqala emuva. Angifuni ukuba mningi kakhulu bafethu. uSipho Cheni uzobe esivimbelile. uSipho Cheni uyena goalkeeper lo ojwayele ukuyivimbela Orlando Pirates. Umchita usesize kakhulu, so epalini ngaqalisa yena umchita. Kumningi na kumele kulungise bafethu. It was a blunder. Igoli elingenile against iSkokhune, igoli ebengamelanga ngabe likoriwe, but-ke I hope umjida uzolungisa emaphutheni. Mase kuthi i-defense yami bafethu, i-defense yami abajida abawu-2 abazobe bephambi kwakhe. I-defense ade saqala ukuyibona le defense le combination iyasebenzela. Yes, abantu abaningi they saw last time we played against iSkokhune. Abantu abaningi bebenembuzo ukuthi why uSibisi edlala as left center back and uMbokazi edlala as right center back, and nama was confused. I hope ucoach uyazi wenzani yabo, because uMbokazi kumele adlale as left center back, uSibisi adlale as right center back. That is how they play. That is how they should play actually. Last games iningi izinto ade ishintshiwe, angazi bekwenze njani, but-ke kule game le ibaluleke kakhulu. Abafana kumele bayithole i-win. So iwona ama-center backs mina engawaqalisa. Wangitshela ama-comments iyipho ne-center back pairing odinga iqalile against iMaromo Gallants ngolwesibili ngo-7 ungakhohlwa. Mase kuthi ama-wing backs bafethu ngisasho namanje, Orlando Pirates is a team that uses ama-wing backs. If you're a person who watch ibhola laphesheya, you will see PSG they use uHakim, they use uMendes. Those players are the core players in the attack of PSG. They know if labadlala bana be overlap, lo ngala ka left uya overlap ukuvara ngale, lo ngala ka right uya overlap lo mfana lo kuthi. That's how they play. Ni Orlando Pirates uJose Rivera wa implementa indlela yokudlala. uHotto benoDion van Rooyen, they overlap ama-wingers Orlando Pirates. That's how Orlando Pirates used to beat ama-team last season. You saw Van Rooyen against the Sundowns. He really terrorized his defense Sundowns because he was overlapping with uMakgopa kulela side langale ngosikhathi eshaya Mamelodi Sundowns. Dion Hotto did the same thing. Dion Hotto knows how to overlap, asize umfukeng up front. The decision of playing uMashiliyoni against iSkokhune was a bad mistake from the management and the coaching staff. But-ke let's hope bazoyifixa leyo nto leyo. Uma elimele uDion van Rooyen, why not play a player like uLebito? Why not play a player like uShandu? We are used to Shandu. Give us Shandu if you can play uVan Rooyen. At least uShandu sejwayele useyazi yini amele yenziwe. Yabo. But-ke this is my four at the back. Sibisi, Mbokazi, Van Rooyen and uHotto bafethu. This was my back four when I predicted the lineup against iSkokhune. But-ke the coaches decided to change izinto bangene ngendlela yabo. But-ke ungangitshela ama-comments ithini back four yakho so far. How do you feel about the lineup le? Mase siseswini bafethu. Enye position le bafethu ade controversial. It was a controversial thing kule weekend esiphuma kuyona. Abantu abaningi ngempela ade bekhala ngempela ukuthi sisithu sishoda ngesomething. They miss uMakhehleni Makhawula. Bafethu uMakhehleni Makhawula usalimele. Yabo ngeke sikwazi ukumbona anytime soon, but yabo umjida ade ngizombona next month noma kule yanyanga leya. But-ke okwamanje uyefu uSihlendulo is a great player. He's a great player, but he needs someone to hold that midfield. Last season we saw Makhehleni Makhawula. He wasn't working alone. Makhehleni Makhawula ubesebenza noTalente Mbatha. Talente Mbatha was that player oyekwazi ukumsiza uMakhehleni Makhawula. When uMakhehleni edlala noDlamini, uDlamini wayengamsiza uMakhehleni Makhawula because uMakhehleni Makhawula ulomdlali o-strong defensively, but uyamdinga umdlali okwaziyo futhi ukumarka, ukwazi ukurecover ibhola iOrlando Pirates bengaliphethe ibhola. Ubani lomjida lo uDlamini ubengakwazi ukurecover ibhola mfethu. Same as uSipho Mbuli. Don't get me wrong guys, Sipho Mbuli is a great player, but he cannot recover ibhola iOrlando Pirates uma engaliphethe ibhola. So uSihlendulo needs a midfielder ozokwazi ukusebenzisana naye Orlando Pirates mengaliphethe ibhola agijima umjida umbatha arecover ibhola kuye phambili yabo. So uSehlenduli needs to work with a box to box midfielder okwaziyo ukurecover ibhola kuye phambili kuyo-attackwa. Ubani lo mdlali? Umbatha. Mase ukuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwaSehlenduli ngizodlalisa abaningi, ngadlalisa uThalente Mbatha. Talente Mbatha bafethu, uThalente Mbatha ade sagcina sambona kwi-preseason edlala umjida yabo. He played some few games kwi-preseason but-ke we didn't see much of him, but-ke kule game esoyidlala against iMaromo Gallants, I think it's for the best ukuthi umjida wathola ama-minutes, because when you look at uThalente Mbatha, he used to work with uMakhehleni Makaula. He was the right hand man of Umakhehleni Makaula. He knows how to recover the balls, so we need a player like uThalente Mbatha in that midfield. We don't need to change izinto. Once we try to change izinto, these new players will come in and destabilize the momentum that was created by Jose Riviero. Yabo, taking out the players who used to play for Orlando Pirates, taking out the players who made Orlando Pirates what it is today, will destabilize the form of the team. So we must keep the core players who played the big role for Orlando Pirates uthi satshwe kanje today. Orlando Pirates mishawa, the country rejoice because they know ukuthi i-giant ishayekile. We are the giants. As the giants, we must play like giants. As ama-giants, akumele shintshe izinto. We have to keep izinto ngale ndlela iyona. Izinto kumele ihlale ngale ndlela iyona. So uThalente Mbatha kule game uzobe ebaluleke kakhulu against iMaromo Gallants. I don't think ikhona i-team engakwazi ukuyithinta uOrlando Pirates ibophe kanje so far. Mase kuthi number 10 position or play uSipho Mbuli. Abantu abaningi yes would question me ukuthi why ngimdlalisa uSipho Mbuli. Sipho Mbuli is very talented, but for me I think playing him as a number 10 would make sense, because when you look at him, the player doesn't give us okuningi kakhulu. Yeah, but when we lose the ball, it doesn't go back and help the team recover the ball. So playing him as a number 10 would make sense because he's more creative. Okubeni creative kwakhe kunamaphasi awashayayo. Amaphasi akhe angayenza sense mengakwazi ukuthatha lamaphasi awanikeza ama-strikers, because number 10 wethu uTravis Scott, uTito Maswanga is not doing his intended job. Umsebenzi akumele awenze ukusupply ibhola kwi-striker sethu esiphambili. I-striker phela kumele score amagoli, so we need those passes to go up front. We need amaphasi aSipho Mbuli elapha number 10 akwazi ukuthi uSipho Mbuli akwazi ukulink iplay with i-striker sethu lapha. So mina I would put uSipho Mbuli as number 10. Wangitshela abafethu so far sithini Skim Savane. Number 6 I will play uSehlenduli. Number 8 I will play uThalente Mbatha. Mase kuthi lapha number 10 I will play uSipho Mbuli. Wangitshela ama-comments, how do you feel about this lineup so far? Mase usilapha ka-right winger abafethu I will play Osuna Police, even though Osuna Police is not a right winger on the books, but the guy needs to learn, needs to adjust in that position, because we cannot play him as a left winger bafethu. Lapha ke-left winger kunomuntu oyiphethe leya position, so medlala lapha as a right winger we need to put uVan Rooyen, because uVan Rooyen ezokwazi ukumsiza akwazi uku-overlap umjida, mase ukuthi Osuna Police angene ngaphakathi akwazi ukudlala leya position yangaphakathi, adrifte ngaphakathi Osuna Police, uVan Rooyen akwazi ukuya phezulu awu-add ama-numbers. That is how we play Orlando Pirates. Ngazi kanjalo mina, ngazi izinto yishintshe iphi, angazi izinto yishintshe iphi coach. Van Rooyen mela overlap. Mase ukuthi lapha ka-left wing abafethu uMfukeng, angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ke the boy ngizwe indaba ngaMfukeng, angifuna ukuyikhuluma, ngizwile kodwa ukuthi awuthi ngenhlebele kodwa ngisashaya le video kuthi uMfukeng bafethu Orlando Pirates ayifuni ngaye, ayifuni ukuthi adayiswe, so umjida ngenzeka ahlale kwi-team. Ngidlule kuMfukeng bafethu striker sami kule game esoyidlala iMaromo Gallants. I think it's high time now we introduce uMakgopa needs to play against iMaromo Gallants. So my upfront man bafethu I'll put uMakgopa laphana. So this is the lineup mina engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba. Ungangitshela wena eyakho i-lineup. Epaleni Sipho Chain Mbokazi and Sibisi as the center backs, Van Rooyen as the left wing back, Dion Hoto as the left wing back. Mase kuthi Sihlenduli as number 6, Thalente Mbatha as number 8, uSipho Mbuli as number 10, right winger Police, left winger Mfukeng, up front Makgopa. Angitshela ama-comments, ungakhohlwa subscribe abafethu uVane Sports. Ngiyabonga ngesupport eninayo.